Viewers, welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's tutorial, you are going to see how to create a Facebook fundraiser. So I'm going to show you the steps. So first you have to log into your Facebook account and go to the fundraiser section, which is usually located in the left menu or the desktop version or in the menu section on the mobile. And click raise money or last raise money on the desktop version, and you can choose a nonprofit from a list or search for one if it's not already listed, and then determine the amount of money you want to raise, and then choose a date for fundraiser to end and write a compelling title and description explaining why you are raising money, and select an image that visually represents your fundraiser and click create to launch your fundraiser. Share your fundraiser with your friends and family on Facebook and other platforms. Regularly update your fundraiser with progress, thank you messages, and stories to keep it people engaged. So yeah, this is how you can create Facebook fundraiser. This is for today, and we will see you in the next one.